Hey guys, I put a video online number 56. Full disk encryption comes to Kiro, Lux, or Lux 2 actually, if you have a new system. Btrfs, JFS, XFS, you choose it in a simple installer. And then, then you log in. You never log in with Wayland. People have already tried, won't work. We have to wait till XFCE is creating its own backend, basically. So we log in. And this is an example of Btrfs. What you do, Ctrl-T, D-U-F, DUF, right? DUF will tell you that we are on Btrfs. Plain and simple with all the lines you see here. So, why would you choose Btrfs? It's a formatting system, just like XFS, JFS, X3 was, X4 is now, choices. But if you stop here, then actually you're not winning anything. Let's launch the ATT because we've created for you guys an extension to this choice. If you choose Btrfs, which is basically, well, if you want to learn about Btrfs, go to the specialist, right? And I believe Garuda was the first to really embrace it and full out went for Btrfs. So you find tutorials surely there. What we want is a click, done and forget it, right? There is something already on our system since the beginning of June already, right? Time shift. Now, time shift is something that also recognizes Btrfs. Here it does, right? It says, oh, look, I have Btrfs, create snapshots. It's one way, right? Choose which way you go. That's not the way I'm gonna go, but it's possible. The rest is, ta-da, right? Nobody sees that particular page unless you went the Btrfs way in the new ISO that's just out, still up, not still uploading, it's already uploaded, but it's still going from America to the world, to all the servers. So wait a little bit till it is near you and then download it. Your root file system is Btrfs. If it's not, you don't see it. Safety. With Kiro subvolume layout already in place. Check. These snapshot tools are not on the ISO. Okay, because, hey, it's special, right? You choose via the Calamares Tweak Tool. All you need is basically a formatting system. Done. Actually, talking about formatting systems, gparted is certainly something to keep in mind. It's a way to analyze quickly, what am I on, what system is this, right? And here you see we're on a little bit bigger maybe. Not, it's just cut off here. Can make it a little bit bigger, but voila. Again, a proof, right? We're on Btrfs. The Y is after the name, but these are just packages, right? They're not installed. So this is the power of Btrfs, but it's not used. You have a formatting system. Install, enter. Install snap-pac, enter, right? Read behind what it does. Btrfs assistant, enter. You get the picture. If everything is green, then you're up and running and everything is okay, right? So still, this is, nothing is set. This is installed, sure. Without it, no pleasure, no fun. Enable Kiro snapshots, the last little bit. That is going to enable timers and all that, maintenance stuff, scrubbing things, etc. But it's not gonna, that's a choice for us, not going to do an hourly backup, right? That's a bit crazy. But just to back up when something comes in, then we back up before, then we back up after, right? That's the idea, and that's more than enough. You can stop all these, and if we stop this and we say yes, the last button is undone, but everything is still in place. By everything I mean the snapshots. So the snapshots are there. So if you decide, okay, right, maybe I should give it a go, then you can still access your old snapshot. So again, safety wise, we leave everything as is. Maybe you want to try to get back to a snapshot, and voila, if we delete everything, it is really gone. So that's basically it. Forget about it. It's gonna work. That's it, right? If you have issues, then you need to be able to log in into this machine again. And then let's give an example. Actually, I can just use something that is already there. If we install Firefox, enter. This is new. Performing snapper pre-snapshot for the following configurations. Root 2. This is new. Root 3. This is new, right? Each time an update comes in, you get a snapshot, it breaks your system, you go back. How do you go back? Btrfs assistant. Btrfs assistant. If it's important, put it to the favorites, right? It's here. Put it at the top, it's there. Click. And then you have to navigate a little bit through an application that's none of mine, right? All of these applications are just from the, yeah, all from Arch, I think. Don't think there is one from KR. Anyway, subvolumes, that's our hard disk cut in pieces, basically. The snapper, this is the first thing when you first launch it. We make this, right? Kiro baseline. And now it's up to you. Line 2, 3, 4, 50 installations later, you have 50, well, 100 lines. Every single pacman is an extra before and after line, pre and post line. And if you say browse restore, you can say, no, I want to go back to this line. I'm going to restore everything. And then it's immediately going to say, you need to get out of here and log back in. It's also going to ask for a name. Give in the name. You never know that you say, I want to go back to the state it was better than it was before. So give it a name is the advice there. And for the rest, it's a little bit more technical. That's all you need to know as an end user. All right. So something extra for you guys if you want to go for Btrfs and there's already something red. That's the only thing I need it for, to say go update, right? Be headers. Okay, whatever, right? What happens? Oh yeah, root 4, root 5. Now this is system deboot. Some of you may remember in the past in the grub that you can boot up in grub and then select a snapshot. That's not possible, right? It is really getting in here and then fixing things. Enjoy Btrfs, enjoy the new Calamares tweak tool, and see you later.